Okay, so it has me on a bit of a wild goose chase, I suppose, but saying something like it's something to do with the directory, the way RD agent is handling, and it uses a handler, Qlib's handler, to access the data or something. It seems to be the issue, maybe. So I'm going to give it a go and see. It's trying to change it for me or something. So I'm doing it step by step again. The fin factor. Oh, and I want to mention Qlib or Cafe I0 or something. He is trying to do something similar. So he's having a look. I wrote a comment there. So good luck to Mr. Qlib there. Hopefully, maybe he'll figure it out before I will. That'd be great. And he looks like he knows a lot more than me too. He figured out that this actually can run. There's a live demo as well. Although I don't totally get it, but I didn't even notice that. He noticed that. So go check him out. He probably knows more than me, and he'll probably figure it out before I will. So yeah, good luck with that, and thanks Qlib for checking it all out. Just going to put that over there for a bit so I can see what I'm doing. Right, what am I doing? I've got some. Right, I'll come back if I get something running here. So one of the reasons why it might be different each time is because I think it selects random scenarios each time, the agent. So like the first stage, step one before was like price oscillator, and this time it's a price. This time it's momentum oscillator, and last time it was volume or something. So that's one reason why it's different each time. I probably don't need to copy all this, but just so it has everything. I did step one again. So step one's going to be different each time, just to let it know that. All right, this time it's just saying showing it like the errors in the step three, and it's just like, well, just run it again because the agent might figure it out. That's basically what it's saying. See, where the agent is doing a learning process, sometimes incorporates random elements. Running it again might generate different code. Handle will do the learning from previous error. Let's try and see if it generates better code. So I don't know. It looks like in documentation, oh, just run this and then it'll run it. It'll be fine, but it's not. I mean, I could ignore this and just start doing all sorts of things, but it's kind of I would prefer to have the example like running perfectly first before I kind of move on to do my own stuff, So it looks like the problem maybe with the daily PVH5, which says that it should be recorded when ingesting or something like that. And I was like, okay, well, if it didn't do that, can we just create it? Because I think last time we created some synthetic one or something. So now it's using the whatever we must have created a CSV earlier about the one of those things. What are they called? The Alpha 360, right? So it's using that now for the daily PVH5. So even 9,360. So I don't know. Now it's saying, okay, if you only want two, if already agent is only expecting two, I don't know what it's expecting, to be honest with you. But anyway, we could try that and see maybe that works. Okay, so we just created our own daily PVH5.